Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can enter the assessment test marks for second term onto EduPage. So just like always, let's navigate our way to the school's website, and that is www.isk.edu.pk. Alright, so once you're on the school's website, you'll need to log into your EduPage account by clicking on the login button on the top right corner of the screen. So click on that login button and it will ask you to enter your username and password. I'm going to enter my username and password so that I can log into the screen. Alright, there we go. This is my dashboard of EduPage, and from here onwards I'm going to go and insert marks. So before I insert the marks, there are two ways about this. One is I can just click on my course first by clicking on this drop down top left, and it shows me all the grades and the subjects. That's one way of going about it. I could go into, say, grade 7 math, and when I'm there I need to click on grades at the top, and I would come over here. Now where I need to enter the assessment marks is this column which says assessment test 30p. That stands for 30 points, and all I have to do is just enter the scores into this column, and then once I'm done I just have to click on save changes. That's all I need to do. The other way is if I'm on the home screen, I can also click on this grades over here on the dashboard, and once I do that, I can choose the class from top here, from the same drop down box. So I can choose from here, and then once again I can enter the scores here. So you can see that the scores I'm entering are basically getting the same. So yep. So that's all there is, and then you just click save changes and you're done.